The nut milk maker NM-10 is a versatile appliance that offers 10 different functions, allowing you to create a variety of beverages including nut milk, soy milk, and milkshakes without the need for pre-soaking. With a generous capacity of 58 ounces, this machine can prepare approximately 6 cups of drinks in one go, making it suitable for family use. The innovative 20-blade stainless steel cutter ensures efficient blending and heating, resulting in smooth, sediment-free milk. A standout feature is its quiet operation, running at 65 decibels, which is significantly quieter than many traditional blenders. The convenience of the automatic cleaning function simplifies maintenance, allowing you to initiate a high-temperature clean with just the press of a button. Included accessories such as a reusable nut milk bag and a variety of measuring tools enhance the overall user experience, making it a comprehensive package for homemade beverage preparation.